I just received. I have a amusing husband. My microwave here, it's something else. Like it's not working like before. It's not that it's not working, but it's not that too okay, you know. Yeah, but Obi just surprised me with this Samsung what they call it, a microwave. Oh my god, and some gift for kids. Christmas, oh my god, I'm so happy, guys. You guys don't know how I feel. And the one that I have, sometimes the thing is just too hot. And before I would just turn my back, the thing would just burn my food. And hubby decided to buy me this new one. Oh God, may God continue to bless him. And guys, I'm going to be unboxing it, okay? So we have already opened it, but at the same time, we have our PH printers. The carton is not here. This is to print paper. This is also new. And Obi bought it for me in case I have anything to print. Maybe some whenever I have any picture, any document, instead of me asking my sister husband to print it. So we also have printer as my Christmas gift. Yeah, you can see this is PH printer. So that is just it. So thank you for watching. Obi just surprised me with this printer over here and what they call it, and microwave. Yeah, that is a beautiful thing, you know. Yeah. So Merry Christmas, everybody. My Christmas tree is so big and beautiful. The Christmas tree, guys, is bigger than me. Yeah, the Christmas tree is bigger than me. We have many Christmas tree in this house, a lot, and this is another one which I did on it right now. Then keep watching, guys, keep watching. Yeah, this is the PH printers. Yeah, we have microwave there, and here is printer. So I believe this is beautiful. Look at the way I put these things here in order. Yeah, guys, look at that. Look at that. I will be doing hostel. On a good day, I'll be doing hostel for you to see everything. My husband is eating for life. Oh my God. Eating for life. Don't take it away from him. Eating is just like a wife to him. Like nobody should touch his wife. Another gift. Oh my God. So this is today is just Christmas in my house. Hey guys, look at that. And yeah, this is the microwave, and this is the printer, and more gifts. Yeah, more gifts. Okay, yeah. I remember then when I was wearing this dress, I was really heavy this way, and now this is where I am. I'm still fat. Oh my God, I'm still fat, but with time I'll go back. Surely. My Christmas just arrived. Should I say this is my Christmas gift? So I'm going to be unboxing it. Obi is there fishing. Come si chiamano in drone. Obi is there fishing, whereby I will be unboxing it myself. I'll show you this. This is the cover. I think this is a big. This one is bigger than the one I have before. Oh my God! And I have two of this. I will leave that one in case maybe something happened to that one. Let me put it in a place where back. Yeah. Oh, this one is big. Oh my God! This is a big Samsung microwave. This is the cover. Questo qui, quando appena arrivato qui, è vero papà? Mi è durato 5 anni. No, 6 anni, Io ero ancora incinta, appena tornato al paese. The one that I have before is 6 years now, and I'm used to microwave. I can't, without microwave, senza microonde, oh my God. No, non c'è io, non c'è Bianca. Senza microonde sono zero. Faccio tutto con microonde. Più che scendere gas, preferisco accendere microonde per scaldare, capisci? Yes, I'm so happy. And voila! This is it. Yeah! Oh my God! I can't wait to see how inside looks like. Yeah, it's black. Just like the one I had before. I'm supposed to weave my hair. My hair is very bad, guys. Yeah. I just put cream and I want to, oh, this is just black. Look at how it is so heavy. The head is heavy. I don't. It's too heavy. I have the microwave here. This is the carton. And yeah. Ma come avete aperto voi?
No, era già aperto. È l'ultimo che c'era.
L'ultimo. Quindi è quello che loro guardavano.
No!
Quello che loro toccavano.
Non era quello a disposizione.
Oh guys, this is it. This is it. I'm so happy. Aí vieni a fare foto. The front. Aspetta. Okay, va bene. Okay guys, I bring the phone to do this very video. I don't know how the look. Yes, I'm happy. I'm happy. Questo qui, nipoti, come si chiama? Di scarica, vero?
No, non è basso adesso.
Ok. Okay, so remove all the paper and then you will just inside is just dot. Oh, it's dark navy blue. Inside is dark navy blue. Inside is beautiful, very beautiful. You will never better cafe. What cafe?
Sì, dai, caffè.
Aspetta prima di fare il caffè. Ma costa tanto non serve tanto. Non serve tanto. Questo è... Oh babbo, grazie. Sono contenta. Oh, mio vecchio grande. Ti ho amato, amore. Mi è durato 6 anni da quando che vivo qui con mio marito. Sì. Da un po' fa 6 anni che sono qui, vero? 6 anni. Poi 5 anni di matrimonio. E ti conosco da 8 anni ormai. Pensa qui. Ok guys. This January we have many anniversary, like 8 years together. Yeah, 6 years that I'm back from Africa. Last time I visited Africa. 6 years of 5 years of marriage anniversary, and Serena will be 1 year old. Marriage anniversary, being together, coming back from Africa, baby Serena, and me living here. We have 5 things to celebrate by January. 5 things to celebrate. That is wonderful. Oh my God, January is a great month for me in this house. It's a beautiful month. Yeah. Pensa che te, gennaio abbiamo tanto da celebrare, il mese che è nato anche Serena. Carino. Okay guys, yeah, this is the microwave. I will bring, no, Obi will help me to fix it now. Yeah, adesso aspettiamo Babbo che ci aiuta a togliere quello lì perché è pesante. Tirato su, ma ho sentito il dolore dietro. The thing is heavy, but believe me guys, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I don't want to raise it because I have the place I took an injection whereby I delivered the baby epidural. In Italy, epidurale. Epidural, whatever they call it. It's painful. Whenever I raise anything heavy, I do feel it. So I was advised not to raise anything anything that is a little bit, more than my power. So that is just it. It's okay, and I love it. Okay guys, so it's okay and I love it. I love the microwave. The microwave is beautiful and I love the color black. I was having silver and black, and now I have what they call it, black. Inside is all navy blue. That's so gorgeous. And it was the last one. Maybe that is why hubby just decided to take this one. And then I'll be looking for one fruit that will have the front. Maybe I will just ask him to stamp all type of fruits and I'll put it at the front, just like the one that I have here. So guys, and I'm happy that I have my new microwave. Look at my hands. Yeah, I'm so lazy. I put cream. You can see the down. This one I haven't made yet. So too much of cream. So I just need to go and style this, and maybe I'll pack it because I'm so tired. Look at the way all the cream is shining. Oh my god. I really need to go and style it now. But first of all, let me prepare coffee for daddy, and then I'll be back. Give me some minutes, guys. Okay, before we take bye bye. Hold on, okay? Just hold on. Okay guys, I'm done with my hair. This is my hair over here. Can you see my hair? The hair is long. I decided, no. You tell me, meaning we don't have oil to use. I said, no, I need the one to fry because olive oil is not good in frying. The scent is not good. Olive oil is for something, for salad, for cooking of things that you don't need to fry it that much. Just a little bit of fry if needed. Maybe to fry a steak, yeah, fine. But for other things, I don't think it's okay. So yeah, and now they also bought me some oil, and yeah, and this one is to fry. This one is to fry. This one is always good, and I do use groundnut oil to fry groundnut oil, corn oil, and all that. And some tomato paste over here, and yeah, some tomato paste. So that is just it. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm so happy that my Father Christmas is here with my how am I gonna call it, with my baby hair. Yeah, don't worry, this is how I'll be growing this hair because this long down. Like yesterday I was almost shedding tears, like oh my god, this Christmas I wanted to carry what they call it, is it shuku or Ghana weaving, whereby the thing will just be touching my bum bum, the thing will just be touching my back, right, closing whereby the hair will be hanging back there, now that I still have some skin, some hair cells. So that was just it, guys. So and I was just like, oh, I don't want to do it myself. I can do it myself, but it's so stressful. So what is the need of stressing myself with this kind of thing to stretch my hands? So I just like, oh, this girl then just something else that I really need, something, some shopping. No, this is Christmas. I really need some beautiful dresses. I know that, but you can go out. It's fine. Very soon we can go out. Maybe I can go and shop for I myself and hubby and the kids. Yeah, that is it. Thank you for watching. That is all video over there. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye. Let me prepare coffee. Okay, coffee for hubby. Coffee. Okay.